Welcome to this video about Giovanni Release 4.34, which features a new look to choosing a data visualization. This is the 20th anniversary year of NASA's Giovanni system. Giovanni version 4.34 changes the way users choose any of the 22 data visualization options Giovanni offers. One reason for this change was to make it easier to use the interface without a mouse, enabling some users with physical disabilities to use Giovanni. The new way of choosing a visualization can be performed with just the arrow keys on a standard keyboard. The Select Plot field now enables access to all of the Giovanni visualizations at the same time. Shown below is how the interface will appear when the small down arrow in the Select Plot field is clicked. In the previous image, the Hovmolar latitude averaged plot was selected. After selection, the name of the plot will appear in the Select Plot field as shown below. The name may be truncated depending on length. Clicking the big blue I to the right of the field will provide more information about the plot type that was selected. The other important change in Giovanni version 4.34 concerns an option for cross-section plots, which are also referred to as curtain plots. After the Giovanni development team examined different ways of processing the data to produce a contoured plot rather than showing individual pixels, a method was selected that minimized processing time and which produced a visually satisfying result. This option can be selected by checking the Interpolate box in the Plot Options menu for cross-section plots, as shown at right. On the following slide, the top image shows the initial cross-section plot without interpolation, and the second plot shows the result with interpolation. The variable is carbon monoxide, CO, concentration from the atmospheric infrared sounder, and the region is Eastern Australia for the dates of January 1 through 5, 2020. During this period, widespread wildfire activity in southeastern Australia was taking place, causing elevated CO concentrations. As seen here, the carbon monoxide concentrations were highest in southeastern Australia and reached higher levels of the atmosphere. The vertical units are hectopascals, a unit of pressure, and the concentration units are parts per billion by volume. There is also a new option for maps. If a map includes the United States, the state boundary overlay can now be removed or kept. Previously, the three overlay map options were only for coastlines, country borders, and the latitude-longitude grid. The image below shows the four options. The image shown here displays the same data as for the image on the previous slide, but the country and U.S. state borders have been removed. Thanks for taking the time to learn about Giovanni Release 4.34.